Okay, every vlog check, everybody, Azrael here. We're doing a tech vlog, and this time, tama-tama for the Christmas season and for the New Year 2024, we have a new gadget to unbox. And this is the brand new tablet from Huawei Philippines. I got a chance to unbox it, try it, and also learn some of the new features of this new tablet. Mas malaki siya from dati, from 10 inches, 11 inches, ngayon 13.2 inches tablet. And this is the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches from Huawei Philippines. So I got to learn some of the features of this new tablet, the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. 13.2, it means that yung screen niya is 13.2 inches, much more bigger than the previous models ng Huawei MatePad Pro. I think that's mga 12 inches lang sila, no? Or 10 inches dati. Ngayon, 13.2, much bigger, para na siyang laptop. So, I have here the box of the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches. I have also the smart magnetic case and keyboard, and also the new M Pencil 3rd generation na merong feature na near link. Ibig sabihin yan, near link na yan, it's much more accurate, 94% accurate, less yung latency niya, at yung kanyang touch point o yung kanyang kumbaga yung pressure point, it's very sensitive and much more better. At saka yung connection niya with the tablet, it's much more accurate, and yun nga, dahil 3rd generation technology mas maganda. So wala pa tong SRP, no? I'm shooting this video this December 2023, and I guess the launching ito is January 2024. So pag napanood nyo tong video na to, malamang launch na siya, and basahin nyo na lang yung title screen, andun yung SRP price niya, and also availability kung saan at kailan. So before I unbox the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs na kung saan, ni-research ko ngayon lang kasi nasa secret location tayo. At ito yung parang secret location namin ni Huawei kung saan kami nag-review ng kanilang mga bagong gadgets. So this is the tech specs of the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches. So for the display, meron siyang 13.2 inches flexible OLED display. Kung sinabing flexible OLED, hindi siya yung tutupi, no? It means that very flexible yung kanyang brightness. Madali siyang i-control. For example, it's adaptable. Ayun ang tawag ng flexible OLED display. For the resolution, gumagamit siyang 2880 by 9020 resolution, at meron siyang 94% screen to body ratio. At meron siyang 1000 nits brightness. For the thickness, for the weight, super gaan naman siya. So, let's move on to the OS. Ang OS niya is Harmony OS 4. And the very interesting part here, hindi sinabi ni Huawei kung ano yung chipset niya or processor na ginagamit niya. Wala sa website at wala din dun sa kanyang settings na kumbaga about the tablet or about the device. Hindi sila nag-include. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So wala akong information about the chipset or processor. So for the memory, gumagamit siya ng 12GB of RAM, at ang kanyang storage ay 256GB of storage. Hindi ko pa alam kung ito ay expandable. Check natin mamaya yan. For the camera, yung kanyang rear camera is dual camera, isang 13 megapixel with 1.8 aperture at isang 8 megapixel na may wide lens naman. At meron itong LED flash. And the video recording can shoot up to 1080p 30fps. For the front camera, gumagamit siya ng 16 megapixel, 2.2 aperture, at can shoot a video record na 1080p 30fps. For the battery, it's very interesting na mataas yung kanyang battery spec. Ang battery specs niya is 10,100 mAh. It can last the entire day hanggang bukas. So, depende nila kung paano yung behavior ng user, kung nag-gaming ba, nag-notes lang, or nanonood ng Netflix, for example. So 10,100 mAh, it's much bigger, parang power bank na siya. At meron siyang technology na supercharged na up to 20 volts, at it supports 88 watts charging power. So malaki yung battery specs, and also kailangan niya na mas fast charging capability. So that's good. For other specs, yung Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches, meron siyang Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Bluetooth niya is 5.2. Meron siyang natawag na near-link technology for the M Pencil, which is much more accurate yung kanyang connection, at yung kanyang, kumbaga, wala siyang, lower yung kanyang latency. So, hindi siya delayed. Meron siyang OTG support, kanyang kanyang port, gumagamit siya ng USB Type-C. Meron siyang 4 na mic at yung very interesting, 6 yung kanyang speaker. So meron 2 sa left, 2 sa right, tsaka 2 sa baba. So pag nakinig ka ng music o nanood ka ng Netflix or movies, super lakas ng sound. So the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches, it can connect to the Huawei Smart Magnetic Keyboard. Bagong version na ito, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And also the Huawei M Pencil 3rd generation, which is yung gumagamit ng Neuralink technology. And also meron siyang Huawei M Pencil tips. Para sabi nila yung tip na yun, kakabit sa M Pencil para much more thinner yung kanyang sulat. No? For the colors of the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2, dalawang kanyang color, isang green at isang golden black. And I have here, feeling ko ito na yung black kasi color black. Let's check. Walang nakalagay. This is color green. And I have the 12GB of RAM. Meron siyang 512GB of storage. So, na-mention ko kanina, 256, pero meron din palang 512GB of storage. So, mas maganda to 512GB. Mas kunin niya to, mas maganda to. For the SRP ni Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2, wala pa silang sinabing SRP, but if ever napanood nyo itong video ko this January 2024, Happy New Year sa inyo, basahin nyo yung title screen, nandun yung SRP niya at kailan siya available i-order. I'm sure, sabi ni Huawei Philippines, no, this tablet, ibabundle nila with the keyboard and also pencil. Kasi importante yun sa tablet na ito. Para siyang laptop na. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung mamaya. Okay, so na-discuss ko na sa inyo yung tech specs. Let's now unbox this awesome tablet from Huawei Philippines. Grabe, 2024, ito yung ating first tech na in-unbox na. Okay, let's do this. Unbox na natin to. Alright guys, this is the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches from Huawei Philippines. I-unbox na natin to. This will be our new gadget for this year, 2024. At sabi dito, it's 13.2 inches. And some ko nakita information. It says here, I got the green body, 12GB of RAM at 512GB of storage. Baliktad pa yung nakasulat dito. So okay na, this is powered by Huawei and it's a new Revolution tablet kasi mas malaki siya, para siyang laptop na 13.2 dahil for example si Huawei meron silang D14 which is 14 inches yung kanyang screen and this one is 13.2, almost half na rin din. No? So this is it, unbox na natin to, check it out. Wow, and this is the laptop. Wow, may got yung laptop niya. Ganda. So inside the box you got the Huawei device. This is the color green, and also inside is ano pa man laman nito. Tanggalin natin to, no? We have the charging brick. This is the 88 watts charging brick and also the USB Type-C. Wala siyang kasamang other item kasi yun lang naman siya at wala nang iba. So ito lang talaga. And also the tablet na yung kasunod na kasama. And here's the tablet. Let's remove the sleeve at super brand new talaga nito. Super brand new first dib guys. And this is the tablet. Let's check it out. May mga fingerprint. At saka yung camera niya, it's very different. Bilog. Sa iba kasi dati it's parang square lang. So this is the Huawei. At naka-on na pala siya. So hindi ko na siya kailangan i-set up. Which is okay lang. Kasi grabe ang laki nito. Ang nipis. Parang may hawak akong laptop. Off ko nga muna. Ay, galing oh. Wow, grabe. This is the flexible OLED display, no? Medyo low light dito, no? So medyo maganda yung kanyang core. Oh my god, ang ganda. Tsaka super nipis niya. Oh my god. And this is my phone. And this is the tablet. Para mas malaki pa yung phone ko eh. Oh my god. Ang ganda. So pwede pa ganito. Pwede pa gano at pwede din pa ganito. Depende kung paano kang user gumagamit ng tablet. So let's examine the body of this tablet. So technically there's the front camera. Ito yung front camera niya. Sa top is super clean. There's the 3 microphones sa taas. 3 microphone. This is the volume rocker. Ayan, ito yung volume. Sa left side is the power button. Ayan, power button dito. 2 speakers on the side. 2 speakers on the other side. Tsaka USB Type-C. Sabi na 6 speakers, no? Hindi ko alam kung paano yun. So maybe because baka dalawang speaker dito sa gilid, another here, and tsaka yung isa is baka nasa likod nito. Hindi ko lang alam, no? So, and also this is the camera. Dual camera. This is the, ano nga bang ano nito? The camera is 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel, and the front camera is 16 megapixel. Much wider daw to, kaya mas maganda. In terms of wide, this is the front camera. Grabe, super wide, oh. Ang bilis din mag-click. This is wide. May effects pa. And let's shift to the rear camera. Ito may mas wider. Mas wider yung ano, yung rear camera. This is wide, 1x and 10x. Okay. So, pag ano, kasi parang medyo yung front cameras medyo wider na rin din eh. Galing, oh. This is nice. Okay. Let's go to video mode. Pag video, para medyo tight na ng konti. And for the rear na naka-video, may wide din siya pag video. Grabe, parang phone na rin to, ah. Parang ano na lang kayo gawin natin po. Parang wala siyang sinabing if it's say, mayroon siyang SIM card, no? Pero maybe baka maglabas sila ng ibang model, I think. Or maybe baka ganito na lang yung style niya. So, napakita ko na sa inyo, no? Ito, let's check out the settings about. Wala talaga. Walang information about the processor. 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage, resolution 2080 1920, Harmony OS. So wala na siyang pinakitang chipset, which is very weird, no? Tinago ni Huawei. Parang kasi much more faster to, mas mabilis eh. So before pakita ko, unbox na natin yung magnetic keyboard and also pencil para may demo ko na sa inyo yung mga features ni Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches. Ganda, grabe, oh. Ganda. Super bilis. Wow. And this is the Huawei MatePad Pro Smart Magnetic Keyboard. Ito siya. Kasama to, no? So let's unbox it para mapakita ko na sa inyo yung ganda ng tablet pag meron siyang keyboard. So, this is the magnetic keyboard. Super ganda, grabe. Medyo makapal siya. Iba na yung style ng keyboard niya. Hindi na yung kamukha nung dati na flexi siya. Ito parang dalawang kind siya ng cover sleeve and also the magnetic feature. No? So, tanggalin ko na yung kahon. Ayan. So, nakita nyo, on the first part is the keyboard. Ayan, ito yung keyboard niya. And the second part is yung parang cover niya kasi ito yung camera. At ito yung magsisilbing parang stand niya. No? So, hindi ko pa ito nagagawa. No? First time ko pa lang itong gagawin. Since ito yung bilog, babalik rin ko siya dyan. At itong bilog na to, isasakto natin dito. At it's attached na. Naka-attach na. And then, tutupi ko to. Ayan, para nakakatayo siya. Pwede siyang pa ganito. Pwede siyang nakatayong ganito. Ayan. Ganito, nakahiwalay. And turn it on ko. Hello. And then, pasok ko na lang yung keyboard. And it's all magnetic siya. As you can see here. Mukha na siyang laptop. Iba yung kanyang style. Nung una nakita ko to sa room, kala ko talaga it's a laptop. Pero hindi, it's a tablet. It's a Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches. Na may keyboard, it's really look like a tablet, a laptop. Super ganda, no? So, I think it's already paired kasi naka-on na siya. Once I connected it here, naka-on na, no? So, I think let's do a quick demo kung gaano ka-sensitive yung kanyang keyboard. Let's go to the notes, quick note, and I think we can type it here. No? Paano ba to? Okay, wala pa pala, no? Teka lang muna. Hanap tayo ng notepad. Saan ang notepad dito? Ayan, ito yung notes niya. Click natin yan. And we can type. Ang bilis, oh. Hi guys. My name is Azrael Coladilla. Zoom natin para makita nyo. Ulitin natin. Murahin natin to. Control A and delete. Ang bilis. Para lang ako parang MS Word. Ulitin natin, no? Hi guys. My name is Azrael Coladilla. I'm a YouTuber and vlogger. May lumalabas siyang ano, no, parang predict text. So, pwede mo siyang i-click, I think. Pero much more on a typing ako eh. Pero di siya automatic, no. I'm doing a review of the new Huawei MatePad Pro 13, iba yung space 13.2 inches. Oh, very okay yung kanyang keyboard. It's very smooth. At pinakamaganda daw dito, no, if kung mag-aano ka, pwede mong ihiwalay yung keyboard, ayan, and do this. Selfie tayo. Magse-selfie tayo. Kita ba? Okay, magse-selfie tayo using this. Ano ba? Ayun, naka-record na. Bakit video? Okay, stop natin. Ayusin natin na konti. Let's click photo. Photo na, naka-photo. Naka-ano to. Kiklik ko to, mag-click siya. Itong enter. Taking photos. No? Parang yung keyboard, ginawa kong Bluetooth. Pwede akong lumayo. Lalayo ako. Ito siya. Ito ako. Malayo na ako. Layo ko na. Dito ako sa kabila. Ayan. Kahit sobrang layo, kayang-kayang pa rin niyang mag-click as a photo clicker ng inyong tablet. That's good, ah. At let's unbox the Huawei M Pencil para makapag-feature na tayo ng full ng mga new features na itong Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. Okay, let's do this. Unbox na natin to. Alright, unbox na natin itong Huawei M Pencil. Actually, hindi pa ito naka-set up. So, sana maalala ko na kung paano ito sineset up. No? Pero I guess it's automatic, no? Magcha-charge siya ng sarili niya. Okay, tanggal nito mag-ano. Alright, natanggal ko na. And this is the M Pencil. Ayan. Tanggalin na natin itong sticker. Ayan. At meron siyang kasamang tip daw eh. Andito ba yun? Ito. May kasama siyang tip. I think it's an extra or hindi ko alam eh. Para siyang hindi ko alam kung ipapasok siya dito, no? Pero I guess hindi yata, no? I'm not sure. Hindi ako familiar. Anyway, tago na natin to. And to test this, ayan, it's magnetic, siya. Siyang 99% of battery. So sabi to connect, I click connect, and the M Pencil is now connected to the tablet MatePad Pro 13.2. So click OK. I can now use this. So meron pang shoot, double tap daw, handwrite, take notes. So okay. Let's use this to navigate. Ayan. Okay siya. Ang galing, oh. Galing. Parang di mo na kailangan yung keyboard eh, kasi meron ka na tap. Pero syempre yung mga ibang tao nagdo-drawing, yan ang kailangan. Very sensitive siya, oh. Tingnan mo naman, oh. Bilis, oh. Okay, mag-drawing na tayo. Wait lang. Alright, ito yung M Pencil. And yung mga features na like the Super Hub, for example, it's still on. At yung kanyang WPS, yung kanyang processor, word processing is much more upgradable na rin din. PC level na rin din siya. At first, let's go to the notes while I can draw. At very sensitive niya. Pagka mataas yung pressure point ko, diniinan ko yung tablet. Very bold nung line. Pero pag I'm sketching, light lang. Wow, diba? Ang ganda niya. Tsaka very accurate siya. So para siyang ink, no? Para siyang ink. Pag diniinan kong ganun, may magbi-bleed na ink siya. Para yung pressure niya eh. Pero pag a lighter letter, for example, or magsisignature ako halimbawa, may magandang stroke siya, matulis siya, at yung kanyang lines, it's much more accurate. Hindi yung parang basag. I've seen samples of it, medyo hindi maganda, no? So, let's click a new one. New page na tayo. Siyempre, magdo-drawing tayo ng ating iconic character. Paano ba magpalit ng color nito? Nakalimutan ko na. Color. I forgot how to pick a color. Okay. This is yung black. Laser pointer pala to. We're using the laser pointer. Okay. No. I-uncheck natin. Ano ba i-uncheck to? Okay. Ito. Okay. Wait lang. Let's draw. Maganda yung pagka-draw ko dito. Kala mo artist ako eh. Oh. Ayan. This is me. This is Azrael. Yan, kung OG kayo or talagang born on the 80s, alam niyo itong character na to. So, Easter egg na rin din yan. Alright? So, no problem. So, for example, no, if we're going to do a notes, ito ba yung notes? Hindi ito yung notes eh. Ito ba yung notes? Ito na nga yung notes. So, may mga cover na, no? So, may mga owner na nito. Uy, galing ng drawing na to. Pero mo swipe siya, no? Back natin. At let's try the quick notes. Ito yung mag-take tayo na snippet from somewhere. For example, okay, wala pa tayong internet pala, no? Hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo, kailangan natin ng internet para maano natin to. Ayan, no? Ito yung parang pwede kang screenshot. Pwede kang mag-screenshot. Ayan. In-screenshot ko yung ayan, for example, ayan, nag-screenshot ako. Take snippet. Ayan. Nag-snippet siya. So, pwede ko itong drawingan. In-snippet ko yung isang images. Pwede ko itong i-drag. Ayan. Pwede ko itong i-drag. Ayan. Tapos, paano ba yung ibang, ito yung super device. Ano ba yun? At kasi hindi ko kasi gaano kabisado. Ito yung sa Super Hub pala, Super Hub, no? Go to the browser. Problema pala, wala tayong internet. So, kailangan natin i-connect to, no? Sa internet. Anyway, I'll get my phone para makapag-ano tayo. Ako sa pindot eh. Ayan. Meron siyang no? Floating window. Kung aalala ko paano ko nagawa ito, yung floating window na to, no? Kasi kanina, close natin to, no? Paano may close to? Floating window, please close. Or gallery, for example. Ayan, meron tayong floating window, no? So, ito sa floating window na to, ayan, we can adjust this. Oh, ang galing, no? So, I can do a floating window. Kasi dun sa kanyang super device, ito yung bagong feature niya, which is, I can't find my, ito, taka lang, lagay ko muna yung password. Tapos, siya, yung floating window lang. So, ito yung itsura niya. So, for example, medyo depressing naman tong article na to. Hanap tayo ng ibang, my God, puro gera. Ito na lang, mekos na lang. For example, here, I can copy this. Paano ko ba ito i-copy? Let's go to the notes. Ayan, ito siya. Naka-multi-window tayo. And I can take snippet. And pwede ko itong guhitan. Ang ganyan. And boom. I can transfer this to the itong notes na to. Ayan, pwede ko siyang ito. Pero kung gumawa ng scrapbook, for example, scrapbooking ka yung bawa. You can do this. Ayan. Siyang liitan. Ayan. Ayan. Laki yan, liitan. Ayan. So, let's try the video. For the video, no, I can't see any kailangan ko pang mag-install ng YouTube, for example. But, kailangan mo na ito ng Gbox para mapagana mo siya. Pero ito, nag-install tayo. Try na rin din natin para mapakita natin yung video mode siya. Pero kung di naman siya magano, you can go to this video Huawei video, may mga video naman dito na pwede natin matesting. So let's click agree at loading na rin din siya para matest natin yung kanyang speaker. Super ganda, grabe. Super ganda. And I think there's some movies here. Oh my God, ano ba to? Kailangan action-pack yung ating pakita dito para ito, Transformers. Ano ba to? Free viewing ba to? Ano kung free viewing to eh. Click. Wala yung mag-click. Ayaw mag-click. But I think may mga bayad yata yung mga yun. Eh. Well, let's go to the browser na lang. Let's go to the browser and click expand. And I want to let's go to youtube.com. And alisin ko na muna tong pencil. And let's go to my video, syempre, Azrael Coladil. And here's my video.
Recommended ng 9
Sige.
out of 10 testers ang Angel all-purpose.
Inaan natin yung volume kasi merong ads. Ayan. At taasan lang natin yung resolution. Naka 720p, 1080p, no? Ayan. Okay na natin. And this is my video. Ay, bumalik. Ito pa. Ulitin natin. Ayan, laksan natin. Lakas ng audio, grabe. And the color is very nice. And I can lower it down. Medyo nagbabuffer pa kasi I'm using my data eh. So, naka 1080p tayo. It's very clear. Also, lakas ng audio niya. Alright. So, I guess that's it guys for the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches. And all I can say is that yung market nito is for the creatives, for the young entrepreneurs who like to draw, or like to create concepts, for those people entertainment. And may iba nag-shift na from laptop to tablet. I think that's the market for this Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches. No? So, yung masabi ko lang, if you're done, standby mo lang, fold mo lang siyang ganun, and you have now a folded, very handy device, super device, na talagang it will power yourself for your business, for your own personal kumbaga gadget, and also for school, pwede rin din to, no? So if going to use it again, flip mo lang tong keyboard, ayan, keyboard, and yung paa niya sa likod, sandal mo lang siyang gano'n. At na-adjust naman daw to ng gano'n, na full blast. And everything is very magnetic at talagang it's a good device for the year 2024. A much more bigger. We're now shifting to the very mobile na, no? Instead of a very wired, talagang wireless talaga. Alright, so that's it for the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video, vlog, adventure. And check on nyo lang yung SRP nito sa title screen. You can see it kung magkano at kailan siya available. Alright, so thank you guys, and kita-kita tayo sa next unboxing. Thank you so much Huawei Philippines for this chance na first dibs tayo on this Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches. Alright. Bye.